Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find channels on Telegram. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open the Telegram app. Then tap the search icon at the top. And after that, type the channel name or topic you're looking for. Then channels appear with a channel tag under their name and tap to join. Next, visit sites like tlgrm.eu or telegramchannels.me, or to browse channels by category. Click the link to open the channel in the Telegram and join. Next method is that sometimes your friends or group the chats share channel links. Just tap the link to join directly. Always check the channel's description before joining to make sure it's safe and relevant. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.